Moon Lullaby by Cherriuki in 60 by 85 cm rounds, version 1 special treatment, starts with electric diamonds that we have used to fill in some of the sparkles in the sky, as well as some of the stars. Moon Lullaby by Cherriuki in size 60 by 85 cm rounds, version 2, now adds sapphire crystals that we have placed in the dark blue areas of the canvas, and this is to give the interior a shimmer, a blue shimmer. You can also place some in the dark blue areas in the sky, just to add a different color of glisten, because the electric diamonds right now is sparkling rainbow and white, whereas the sapphire is just sparkling pretty much blue. So it'll give a variety of color for the sky. Moon Lullaby by Cherriuki in 60 by 85 cm rounds now adds rose gold diamonds to the moons, such as this one, as well as to the crown